This video is to show you how to assemble your tubing and your fittings, whether it be flex tubing or stainless with the two grooves on the end. You can use our push lock fittings. You just simply push the tubing into the fitting as far as it'll go. Same thing here. Then you can get to your misting tees, push them on. Push them, you can usually feel it click twice, or push till it doesn't push any farther. Add more tubing. Another nozzle. Then at the end of your line, you'll install the end plug. You just simply push it in the same way. We also have a three-way T, and you can use the 45 extensions. Just simply push into here till it won't push anymore. And to release all of these, you can use a release tool. It's set up for 1/4 inch and 3/8 tubing. You simply push your tubing into the fitting. Use this to push the end of the coupling in and remove it.